spending it out in the sun. I'm constantly going like this, I'm constantly putting tissue all over, and then...
And does the tissue get wet when you do that?
Yeah, it gets soaking wet.
What I'm trying to work out, is this face or is this your scalp?
Hi, I'm Dr. Farmer from Dr. Aesthetica. If you've been struggling with facial sweating, there's a highly effective non-surgical solution, Hyper-Dilute Botox. Hyper-Dilute Botox works on inactivating those sweat glands across your face. So rather than affecting muscles, which is what we do with Botox, here we're stopping those sweat glands. Now in these areas we need to be quite careful because we know that the lips are quite thin with muscles and we want to be really delicate to how we're making effect. I know how much this is bothering our patient. She has to think comfortably about what she's wearing, where the makeup is, what kind of weather she can go out in. Those with sweating understand this because they often need to think about other aspects of their care and what they can do. What we're doing is controlling the chemical messages that go to those sweat glands, and we're just inactivating it. We often notice that skin gets better, more shinier and more healthier. Botox is suitable for anyone that's over 18, who's not pregnant, who's not breastfeeding, who's bothersome about facial sweating. We focus it on where your concerns are. For some of my patients, it's coming from the hairline down to the face. For others, it's the forehead, across the nose. For the vast majority, it's a really comfortable treatment. It's really common to see a bit of redness, a few bumps, particularly where it's injected, a little bit of swelling, and we can also see that the skin quality just looks a bit more hydrated temporarily. Over the next 24 hours, most of these disappear completely, but there's always a risk of bruising. It typically starts to make an effect in around 7 to 10 days, and we normally allow 14 days for it to fully work. For most patients, this will last between 4 and 6 months. There is a bit of variety in how long it works for each person, but typically the summer months are really common because that's when we see a lot of that facial sweating. But a lot of people who have this sweating notice the sweating happens all year long. If sweating has been affecting your confidence, then this solution will help you get your quality of life back.